Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio graphic channel. For today I have this project that is a pizza wood build. I will show you how to create that. For that project I created the drawing, all the measurements that we need for this project. Remember, you can download this drawing in the first link of the description. For that we need to create a new design, create a new component, click OK, create a sketch. Here on the top plane, start to create a circle. This circle needs to be 305 millimeters diameter. Create here 3 lines, and that one. Create here a 40 millimeters, and apply a constraint. Hold the shift button, click on the middle of the line, or horizontal constraint, apply a distance of 300 millimeters. Now we can trim this circle and apply here a fillet of 45 millimeters. That line needs to be on a construction, change for a construction line, and apply here a circle of 48 millimeters diameter. Now we can trim that one, create another line here on the vertical, and apply a distance of 75 millimeters. In that case, we can change for construction here and finish the sketch. And now we have a one sketch profile. Select the extrude tool, 6 millimeters, create a new body, and apply here a fillet of 90 millimeters. Click with the right button, ground this first component, right button again, copy, return to the main project here, right button, and paste as new. Move a little bit to the upper side here. Select the second component and hide the first. Here on the sketch, you need to change that for a normal line. Finish the sketch. Here on the extrude, we can unselect the profile and click only in that part of the profile and click OK. Here we can apply a chamfer of 6 millimeters to create the 45-degree angle. Unhide the first component, return to the main project, and now we can apply a joint. Click on the joint, click here and here, and click OK. Now we can apply a fillet in the whole project. Here it's 1 millimeter. And click OK. Apply some color. This is appearance of wood. We can apply here a pine wood. That one here and here. And adjust the scale. Double click. Here. The rotation, the roughness, and the reflection. And click OK. If you remember, if you want to download all the files and my ebook in the first link of the description, that I can bring you more videos, think about to subscribe to the channel and give me a like button. Write here in the comments what you want to see here on the channel, and see you in the next video.